Hello, Arc Matter here, and welcome to the show. So, back in the Arc Matter cave, a lot of stuff's going on downstairs in the HT room. A lot of just rearranging. I got some things I wanted to show too. That'll be maybe in a week or so. Thanksgiving's coming up. Sounds like a lot of places are going back into lockdown. Let's try to make the best of it, I guess, and go with the flow. I'm still working, so what does it matter anyhow? I have to go in to work. Unless everybody gets sick, I don't know. So anyhow, we're here because I'm finally messing around with the Raspberry Pi stuff. I got the cases out. There's the bottom. This is the top. And I got everything here. I bought this 7-inch screen a while back. And it is a 5-inch HDMI display. I'm going to try this. I don't know if it's going to allow me to like boot it straight off of it, but I think I forgot my HDMI cable. So I may have to run downstairs and get my HDMI cable real quick. The heat sinks, the RetoPi SD card with all the games is on there. And here's the Raspberry Pi 3. This is the Model A. It's right here. This case, which I wanted to put my newer Raspberry Pi 4, not the 3, but the 4 in here, and it's not compatible. So I'm just going to let that go. I might put the Atari stuff on it to mess around with. But anyhow, we can still move forward. I'll put my little heat sinks on, and I will have to run downstairs real quick though. Oops, it fell out. And I can see it's got the SD card in there, 128, with all the games it's supposed to be on there. I'm hoping it'll power up this little screen I got, and then I can just power the Raspberry up, and then we'll power the screen up, hopefully. If not, I'll have to go get my little TV and bring it up here too, which I didn't do. I am completely half ready to go. I mean, I'm excited because I've been wanting to put this together for a while. I already have a mini NES, and I've got a regular, just China brand NES. Regular NES too, but I've been wanting to put this together for a while, and I thought, well, might as well just do it tonight before Thanksgiving break, which hopefully through Thanksgiving break I'll have a time sense of if I won't be able to spend time with my whole family or anything. I will definitely be working on more stuff here, which means I can hopefully sneak in some more videos. So I'm going to run downstairs and get my HDMI cable real quick, and I will be back. Don't you just love my creaking door? Isn't that amazing? It's like, I keep wanting to oil the hinges a little bit, but I'm like, I like the creepy sound. So, anyhow, so I've got my HDMI cable. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I don't have an upper camera mount thing, so everything's going to be at a pitch. I'm sorry, but I'll kind of go like this every now and then to show you what I'm doing. I still didn't figure out on the instructions, it didn't tell me where the fan went. So I think it might go here. It might go right here. I'm pretty sure. Yep, it says it on there. So, I see, and then I'll mount it up there. Got it. So, this video might be a little bit longer, but I'm going to put my little baby, I got to put my little baby heat sinks on, and get these on here real quick. I was going to do a speed build, and I thought, This will make up for me not putting anything on last week. So I got 3. Pretty sure that one goes there. The bigger one goes on the CPU. So that's there, and I got an extra one. I'm not sure where that one goes. I'm just going to put that off to the side. I'm not sure. I thought it would go. CPU and GPU. So I'm just going to put these on. Yeah, real quick, maybe. My heat up here for some reason is not working 100%. I don't know what's going on. I put a new thermostat in up here, but I don't think it's still functioning very good. So this on there. And then I'll put this on here. Should have music, huh? And that one sounds like the cable guy thing. Okay, so I got the 2 heat sinks on, but it doesn't tell me where this little one goes. Maybe it goes here? I'm not sure. Maybe I'll just stick it there. I'm going to put it there, I guess. It looks like it kind of fits, so I'll just... Because the instructions, which I know you get it from China, it doesn't really say where things go on the picture. It just tells me kind of how to hook it up. Like if you were putting a hat on it or something, make sure I get the connections right there. So that is done. You can see I got my little heat sinks on, and now we put it into the little case, and it just pretty much fits here like these. And then you just plug it. You just plug it into the. You just plug it into what it says on here to there, vice versa. I don't have no Ethernet connection on it, so I just push this off to the side, but I just have to push this in here, maybe. So that just is going to go there. I'll have to push the Cat 5 little wire that came in here off to the side, because I ain't gonna. I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to use it. So I will put it on here. Like I think it says it's like I'm supposed to connect it like this, on here to there. I know I'm guessing a couple little things. With the instructions, like I say, when you get them from China, I'm not 100% follow through on them as far as how to get everything in there. But you can see it's in there now. I'm sorry for the camera shaking too. I don't have no steady cam thing either. But I'm just going to leave this off to the side. I'm just going to leave this off to the side because I will not be using it. Nope. Okay. Then you got your little screwdriver kit for mounting everything in here. I most probably won't even screw this all the way on when I get done, due to the fact that just in case there is a few little problems here and there, that I can quickly just get into it and repair it. Also, I'm only going to, the Raspberry Pi 3B, I'm only going to put 2 little screws in it for now too, just in case. I don't want to get too ahead of myself, and then there'll be a mistake, and I'm like, I got to take it all apart, take all the screws off, and then be like, oh, what did you do that for? Which I do a lot, but I kind of just go with the flow, and I always just try to do things. I guess that one goes here. I just try to do things. I always just try. Try. I should have brought my magnetic. Should have brought my magnetic with me up here. Little Phillips. This one seems like it's a little magnetic, but it is. Okay. So. There. So I got 2 screws in there. These screws here, I think, must go in with this, so I'm not gonna, they'll go in there, so that's why those 2 holes back here stay open. So, next thing, let's get the fan in real quick. And that should just help with breathing with the raspberry. You covered up quite a bit. And that's all in here. So, let's go front like this, and the fan. The fan will go like this. It didn't even tell you on here if it's plus or minus. So once again, I'm guessing. Assuming I just put it on like that. Then goes up here. Goes up here. Little fan will go up here. Come on, little fan. It just snaps in there, so why do I need screws? I mean, yeah, but it just snaps in there. Why do I need screws? That way, oh yeah, I might as well not just screwed it yet anyhow, because I want to check and make sure it's going the right way. That it's blowing it through the vents and not going the other way. I guess it really doesn't matter. It blows air in or out, but mostly I think you want air to go out. So there's that. See, I already made a mistake. I got to take it back out real quick. I forgot to put my SD card in. Which is right here on the other side. See? I told you I'm always trying. You guys are just going to love this extra little long video, aren't you? You just see all the comments coming in. Why didn't you figure out what you're doing before you put it in there together? No, I don't know. And here I'm giving you earthquake time again. I should have known that, because I was already talking to you guys about the SD card before I put it in. So it take a second here, and we'll pop it out of here and pop the SD card in. Here. Yeah, this stuff's been sitting up here since, what, I've been talking to you guys quite a bit, off and on through the summer. So this stuff's been here since I went to Micro Center at the beginning of very beginning of the summer, I think. Very early beginning of the summer. So yeah, we'll just get that out of here and get that SD card in there, maybe. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. All I needed to do is come out an inch or so to put the SD card in, and we're good. Should have put it in the bottom before I got carried away. All right. And it's the HDMI is where it's hung up on. There we go. That's one of them. Okay, and I think that's the other screw. Boy, this little screwdriver is too little. Come on, I want to show my watchers I could do this good. Okay, so they're both out. And then right there's the micro slot right over here. So I will put the SD card in there. Yeah. Yeah, just make sure I'm going the right way. Whoop. So now I'm going to put the SD card. Now I will put the SD card in. And now I'll put this back in. And I will start all over again. Yay for me! All thumbs. I don't have very big thumbs, but they're all thumbs. It's all thumbs, though. It just keeps getting hung up on the plastic part of the HDMI. There's a little lip right there, and it just keeps getting stuck on that. Oh, yeah, because the SD card does have a slot on the side to go in. I sees it. I did it. There it is. There is a slot right over here, so that goes in there, so that will be right. Let's make sure that looks. Yep. So we got to slide it this way first, then go down. There we go. So once again, I just forgot that, you know, and I read the instructions, so don't give me no comments about the not read, you know, whatever, because I did read the instructions, and if you guys have gotten stuff from China, you know how the instructions are. It's like trying to put some stuff together from IKEA. It's a lot of guessing and squeezing some room around. Come on. Get in there. Alright. I am going to try it from this angle. It was going so good, wasn't it? When it wasn't. I'm going to get out of shot, so I stopped shaking the camera. I will get this in here. It's just wedged up on the HDMI spot again. Okay. We're still not lined up. Now we are lined up. I knew if I got in here and I could hold it and I could get it right. Okay. Now we will put these in. And back in. Yep. Oh, that was a little more magnetic. It would be great. And a better little Phillips. Watch me bumble as I put a Raspberry Pi together. That's what the video title will be. I should pause it. Maybe the speed build would have been better, huh? Alright. You can listen to my daughter listen to her PC stuff in the background. Ew. Every time I get like right there. Ta-da! Alright, woohoo! Good thing I'm not a watchmaker, huh, guys? You never get your watch back from me. Like, I brought my watch here a month ago. Where did it go? There we go. And then we put this back in here. Which is going to be awesome. And this will get pushed off to the side again. Ta-da! Alright, so that's all in there now. SD card in here on the side. Fan back on. Ta-da! Lid on. And then, of course, it has this little flap where you can see, but this won't be functional. These will, and this will. For the controllers I got over here. I am not going to, like I said, I am not going to put any of this together tightly until I do a test. Hopefully the screen works at the same time. I got my HDMI cable right here. So we'll plug this in the back. Okay, so HDMI is plugged into that. HDMI will be plugged into my little TV screen, my little 7-inch screen. Okay, so that's a go there. HDMI. See how easy I did the HDMI? That was easy, wasn't it? Now, to just get the power supply for it, which is up here somewhere too. Where are you hiding that? No, that's all for the... and I need... Alright, there it is. This the one. I have like a couple different power supplies laying up here. So I gotta make sure I get the right one. Alright. This is the power supply. You know what? I'm having one of these nights. Alrighty. This is the power supply. Excuse me. Alright, so that's there. Oh, cross my fingers, people. that this will work and don't go bzzz. What happened? Bzzz. Okay, so we're plugged in, and let's see, do we have power? No, we don't. No. Bear with me. Alright, let's try it again. Nope. Alright. Okay, so there's a switch on the switch. Switch on the switch. Let me try. My plug down here might be working. Okay. Try the other plug. Alrighty, so obviously something is not right. Oh no, Mr. Gumble. Alrighty, let's check the fan. Fan hooked up backwards. That's on there. That's on there. Yeah. Yeah, it shows that everything's all hooked up. Let me try it. Maybe it's just not connecting all the way because it's a little funny in there. And there's no way of knowing for sure if it's working. Yeah, I'm playing. Said to go right here. Oh, not there. How about here? All right. No? No Nike? Oh, this just might be the end of the Raspberry Pi project as before I even got started. Everything's connected, right? Followed the instructions per what they said. Right here, see? These are the kind of instructions I have to go with. Yeah, that's what it's showing. And there's nothing. And it could be the power supply, too. I think. Is this another one? I have another one. Another power supply. We might try that one real quick. I'm going to give this power supply that I got to a real quick try. So it might be in the power supply. So I will check this one out. Because you never know. Okay, new power supply. Plugged in. And we'll give this one a try. And if it isn't, then something on the board itself, I gotta figure out what. Let's see, on, off, on. Now, so something or whether here, through here, is not right. And it might be because it might need to be plugged in up here. And it doesn't give me another slot. I mean, that I'm aware of. Yeah, plug it here. Yeah, and it's on. So something is not right. Well, there it goes. Alright, so that. Alrighty. Let's try this again. Might not like that. Alright, so there we go. Alright, for some reason, it's kicked on now. And is it powering my little screen? No. It is not. most probably not enough juice from here to operate. And I don't think I have a power supply for my little screen. Let me see. Okay, there we go. Power on. Well, I know I got power. The little fan isn't working. See if I can get my little fan to work. No little fan. There we go. Little fan is on now. There's no TV power. I just love how long this video is going. 25 minutes. Excellent. Let's try the HDMI again. Where is it, Dave? Yeah, because this is supposed to power this because it doesn't have any other. I think we'll just. I will have to go get my little TV. So this is going to be about a half-hour video. I was really hoping the little screen would work because it's cool. So I used it on a Nintendo Switch a couple of months back to test it. Yeah, because that's expansion, so. Yeah. Too bad. That looks so cool. If it worked, you guys I think love that little screen right there. It is so cool. When I had it on the Nintendo Switch, I was like, whoa. But the Nintendo's working. It apparently was something on here was just not right. I don't know what it was. Just started working all of a sudden, which is good for me. And I can hear the little fan. It's working great now. Put it in there to cool off the. Cool it off. Yeah. Isn't it cute? Well, I got another HDMI cable. Maybe it doesn't like that one. I'm going to try a different HDMI cable because my kit came with one too. So I'm going to try that one real quick. Maybe the other one's just too long or it's just not working. So we'll try a different HDMI cable real quick. Doop-doop-doo. See, something weird happened with the power, so maybe it's something weird's happening with the HDMI too. Did I get it? No. Just don't think there's enough juice. I just don't think there's enough juice for the little screen, which it should. Oh, shit. I will go get my TV. I will be right back with my TV, so enjoy the silence. I'm back! Squeaky door. So, I brought my TV up. Here it is. You guys remember the TV? And let me plug this in. Okay. So, we'll plug the HDMI into the TV. See if that'll work here too. You got these little black twisty ties are like really gathering steam up here. I got like 80 of them gathering up. Hang on. I'm really excited because I want to see this work. Because I built it, gathered all my pieces up over the summer. Okay. Let's see, if this doesn't work, well then, we got a problem, Houston. Definitely got a problem, Houston. Okay, let's see, that's TV. Where are we at? Yeah, we're on HDMI. So, it should work. No signal. Why don't we have a signal? Everything's all hooked up. That's hooked up to that. SD card's in. Well, let's reset it. Because all this stuff here is just extends from the Raspberry Pi to this right here, so I can use these controllers that came with it. So I can use these controllers that came with it that run off the front of it. So the reason we don't have a signal is because it's something. It has to be something in the HDMI. That's what I'm thinking. There's nothing else I need to hook up to it. We got power. This is hooked up. Fans hooked up. SD card's in. Let me shut it all the way off. Unless we have a bad SD card. Yeah, I don't think I want my video to go over an hour. What's going on here? Okay, so it's showing there's something hooked up to there. A little light came on. That went off. I have no other way of hooking it up either. Has to go here. See, we have a little light. And the little light goes off. So, well, let me try this here. Turn the power off. Get these pins lined up right. These pins right here were not lined up. Maybe that's the issue too. Now it's not working again. Okay, so power again. I'll tell you what, I'm going to stop my video. I'm going to upload it. If I do get it working, which I hope hopefully I will, it will boot up. There's something to do with these pins right here. These pins right here that hook to the extension of the system. But this shouldn't work at all, because this is just plugged into this right here for off and on switch. This, I'm assuming, is for my controllers. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to upload my video, and hopefully I'll get it working. Because I don't see any major issues with anything like the HDMI cord or anything like that. So don't see anything wrong there. So these are one of these touch and go first time things. And the Raspberry Pi 3 of that is new too. It could be bad. I don't know. Yeah, it could be bad. I don't know. Could be the SD card. I really don't know. Yeah, it should come right up and give me like a Raspberry Pi startup and everything. But I'm going to go. I'm going to upload the video. I apologize. I figured I'd get it. You know, I don't wanted to build it on video. I didn't want to build it and then come show it. So, please like, please subscribe, and thanks for hanging out with me.